Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku of today in the additional newspaper, a 4-star Sudoku. So I hope I will manage this within an hour, otherwise I will drop this 4-star Sudoku. I hate Sudokus more than an hour. Anyway, let's get started with this 4 stars Sudoku. I see a lot of 8, so let's start with an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there, only place for the 8 must be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 1, should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 2 and the 4. Remember that. Then 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. We have a pair, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I remember here was the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. So we have a 2 and a 7, 2 and then 7 in those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes in this column are reserved for the numbers 6 and the 3, 6 and the 3, 6 and the 3. Remember that I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 3. That means those 2 boxes, 6 and the 3, are the numbers 9 and the 6 and the 3, 9 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. No, we have a 2 here. 6 and a 3, 9 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Yes, in this big square, we have in the middle row 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 9 and 6. 3, 9 and 6. I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 6 and 3, 6 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 is here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place here for the 9 must be here. We have here 2 and 4. I remember that. 2 and 4 in this column. That means those 2 remaining boxes are reserved for the numbers 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Yes, 6. Those numbers were 2 and 4, 2 and 4. No. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. These two numbers, 1 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait 1 and 4 in this column. 6. No. 7, 7, 7. No. 6 and 3. 6 and 3. No. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in those two boxes. Here also 3. No 3 in those two boxes. 2 boxes left for the 3. Could be here or could be there. So we have a 3 in the last column, a 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. No. We have 3 numbers. 2, 6 and 4. 2, 6 and 4. I see here 2 and a 4. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 1 digit left for the 6. 6 should be here. Here we have a 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. 2 and a 4. 1 box remain in this middle column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes here. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2, 4, and I need a 5. 5. The 2 and yes. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 2, 5, and 6. 2, 5, and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. We have a 6 there, no 6 here. Only place for the 6 should be there. 2 and 5, 2 and 5 are left. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 4 goes here. 4, 5, 4, 9, 6, and 1. Oh, no. 2 missing numbers here. I remember the 2 and the 7 in this column. The 2 and the 7. We have now a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 here. 2 should be there. Then what number can I use? 1 should be 1, 5. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the last column. The numbers are 1, 5, and 7. 1, 5, and 7. I see here a 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 should be here or there. The same with the 5. I see here 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 should be there or here. So we have a pair 1 and 5, 1 and 5. That means in this column 1 digit left for the 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 is here or there. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be there. I remember here the 1 and the 5. That means 1 box is left for this big square for the number 4. We have here 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. No, we have a 2 there for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. Then 6 and 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. Then the 8, I use the 9. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9, we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here also a 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 1, should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Alright, for a 4 stars Sudoku. This Sudoku is taking me longer, with the 2 stars, is taking me longer than the 4 stars. Strange. It should be switched. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want it. Otherwise, I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. So thank you for watching and bye bye.